gonna pop up over the fence in just a second, Kaila, and if we're out there, she won't do what she's supposed to. Now, I didn't mention that Sparky pinches when she eats out of your hands, so you have a choice. You can use your hands, or you can use this cup. Good choice. Hold on with both hands, Kaila. We'll get you all loaded up here. Don't spill any of those, okay? Now again, Sparky is an East African crowned crane. These birds get their name from that golden crown of feathers on their head. That crown of feathers is very important to these birds. They do spend most of their day on the ground foraging for the food in the grasslands of Africa. That crown of feathers really aids in camouflaging them as they do that. All right, Kaila, you ready? Come all the way back out here with me. Just stand right here. Sparky's gonna fly down here straight at us. It looks like she's gonna crash right into us, but she hardly ever does. I'm just kidding here. Turn a little bit this way. Hold that cup really tight, okay? Here she comes. Hold really still. Very good. Look over there and smile. You ever been that close to a bird that size before? You don't know? She's very beautiful, isn't she? But tell me, Kaila, how long have you been a bird trainer anyway? Maybe 5 or 10 seconds now? Was that fun? Kaila, how old are you? 5 years old. Give Kaila a big round of applause. She did a great job. You come back and see us in about 13 years, Kaila. We got a job waiting for you right here at the bird show.
She's not scared.
Now, before we go on to the next few birds in our show, there are some quick introductions I'd like to make. Now, obviously, there is a lot of hard work that goes into doing this show.